This is Sony DCR SR47 and I'll show the overall condition first. So this is the battery here, and this is the overall condition of it. And then we can open the camera here. Okay, sure. I'll show you all the functions first. So these are all the functions that you can set: exposure, focus, white balance. So these are all the settings. And then this one also, all the settings here, information. And then here, it's the preview button. You can see your photos here lah. So video and photos. And then you can just go back. And then for recording, you can just press the red button here. Yeah, so you can see it's already start recording. For stop, you can just press one more time. Yeah. And then for the mode, wait, let me focus. And then for the mode, you can just press the mode button here to change you want photos or video mode. And then for photos, you can just press this photo button here, like this, to take photos. Yep. And then the last thing here is the zoom. So you can see the zoom, you can just push. So you can see the zoom. And then you can see the lens is very clear without any dust and fungus. And then all the buttons here, it's working. So display button, easy mode off. And then this is the same preview button, that same one bit here lah. You can go back. And then this is the light. So this is the light here. Sorry. Yeah, so you can see the difference, right? The light really brighter. Yeah, and then the off button is here, the power button. That's all for this camera. Thank you.